welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a how to get this look that you see right here. I'm sure it looks like my natural hair, but it is not. It is definitely another Kinkistry exclusive. And so these are actually my Koilistic curls wig that I have been rocking since, y'all, probably over a year ago. And so if you guys go back through my videos, you guys will see what it looked like in its natural state when I first got it, and then what it looked like after I washed it, and then what it looked like after I wand curled it, and now you guys are gonna see what it looks like after these perm rods that I put in it. And so yes, if you guys have been checking out my channel, you know I've been doing wig reviews constantly, and so I was truly missing my natural hairstyles. I was missing a purple lip, a bold lip. I just hadn't got back to what I feel comfortable in. Like when I tell you this is what I feel comfortable in, my hair just doesn't cooperate all the time, so I just didn't have the time or the energy. So I definitely was like, why don't I bring you guys a Kinkistry exclusive and show you guys what this hair looks like. And so you guys will see that this hair has literally been through it all. The only thing I haven't done to it is dye it, but I've dyed my other Kinkistry curls, and it does everything. When I tell you everything, first of all, what I noticed after I wand curled it and I was spritzing the hair with like water and product, it reverted back to its natural state. Like the curls were popping. I almost didn't want to put the perm rods in, but I was like, no, let me put the perm rods in. So yeah, you guys will see that this is definitely one of my favorite. Like this is in my top 3 favorite curl patterns from Kinkistry hair. And so yeah, I hope that you guys love it. Something I did notice is that with using this Cantu product that I put in this hair, so I dried the hair overnight, but when I took the curls out, it's a lot of like crust. I don't know if it's called, it's like crusty stuff that's like flying in the air, and so I don't like that per se, so I have to find a different product to use to wrap the perm rods. But other than that, like I sprinkle water in there as well as some oil, and so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more actually. Oh, wrong way. So yes, this is a little bit of oil, so hopefully it keeps it down, that crusty stuff. A lot of it came off when I was taking them out, but not so much right now. But yeah, I'm loving it. If you guys can tell, like you can't even see where my hair is and the wig is. Like I only left out like literally baby hairs. I didn't leave out any of my hair. So if you guys can see that, like blending game on point. And so yeah, I'm truly loving it. As usual, I'll make sure to link a code that is right here if you guys want to save some coins on it. I hope that you guys like it. Make sure to let me know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
My baby girl on the set, scared of me coming home. I'd rather be alone. She doesn't fully understand me, and I'd rather leave than cheat. She gives me some time, I can be the man she needs, but there's a lot of love inside of me, and we've been together since our teens. I really don't mean to hurt her, but I need some time to be alone. Just don't treat them bad. Oh, how I feel so sad now that I wanna leave. She's playing on to me. How could you let it be? I just need time to see that I wanna be. Oh, sweetie doo dee doo dee dee. I don't mean to hurt you, baby. Oh no, no. Never did I imagine that you would play a major part in a decision that's so hard. Do I leave? Do I stay? Do I go? Or think about my life, the one that matters to me the most. You're the love that we share is real, but in time your heart will heal. I'm gone, but I have to find what life is like without you. When you love someone, you just don't treat them bad. Oh, your fingers.